Everyone, in today's video we will see how to check if your GTA 6 pre-order went through on PlayStation. Confirm order status. So first, how to check if your GTA 6 pre-order went through on PlayStation. To check if your GTA 6 pre-order went through a PlayStation, you must verify your purchase via the PlayStation network. Transaction history, or look for the countdown timer in the game library. Now, due to the massive influx of players ordering the game since digital storefront pre-orders opened on June 25, 2026, many users are experiencing delayed confirmation email or pending status indication. Method 1, check your PS5 game library. The most direct visual direct indicator that your digital pre-order was successfully is its appearance in your permanent collection. Turn on your PlayStation 5 console. Navigate to the far right of the home screen and open the game library. Then select the purchase tab and look for Grand Theft Auto 6. If the transaction went through, the game art will appear here displaying a live countdown timer ticking down to the game release date. Now the method to check PSN transaction history. If you did not receive a confirmation email, you can manually verify the financial transaction through your console, a web browser, or your phone. Now on your PS5 console, you can go to the settings. From the main dashboard, select user and account. Now click on account, now payment and subscription. Then click on transaction history. Now set the date range to include your purchase date on or after the June 25, 2026. And look for the GTA 6 or the Grand Theft Auto Ultimate Edition. Now you can using the PlayStation app on mobile. So open the PS app and log into your account. Now tap the PlayStation Store icon in the bottom menu, then tap the three lines, the menu icon in the top right corner. And now select transaction history to see your latest purchase. So goodbye and thanks for watching.